Hello, I'm Dr. Hassaan with a very interesting topic. Fast publishing, PubMed indexed medical journals. Fast publishing PubMed indexed medical journals. So many people ask this question, what are the names of some fast, rapid publishing journals who can publish my paper in a few days? So let's talk about this. Remember, if you are a professor who is planning to get a paper published for promotions and has a lot of time, then go with average speed journals, and the average speed is between 3 to 6 months, because you need to create your publication profile with high impact factor journals so that you get promotions and achieve your career goals. However, if you are a student applying for residency and you have a deadline and you want fast publication, then these options are for you. They are not the highest impact factor journals, but they are very good journals. They have good reputation, they have good speed, they can be very good options. So we'll talk about that. If you have time, you are not applying for residency, then you may apply and submit your paper to any journal, any other journal with a higher impact factor. But if you have a deadline, then again, I would recommend go with these journals. So what are the names of some journals that publish fast and they have good reputation? Number one, Curious Medical Journal. Yes, Curious Medical Journal is a PubMed indexed American journal. Yes, Curious, the company Curious is an American company, and the journal founder is Dr. John Edler, a very respectable neurosurgeon in the US. So this is an American journal, and this has been around for so many years now, and any article you publish in Curious will be PubMed indexed. Curious does not yet have an impact factor, but they are PubMed indexed, and that's what residency applicants usually want. They want PubMed indexing. So this is a very good option for you. Curious has a speed of publishing the article from 30 to 40 days, sometimes faster, but on average 30 to 40 days, which is a very good speed after you complete your paper and submit it. Now, the submission is a difficult process, so make sure when you submit your paper to Curious, it's according to their standards. Their standard is very tough, so you have to follow their guidelines, their author guidelines, read their author guidelines, and then you will be able to submit your paper to Curious. And their referencing style is different than most journals, so you have to be very careful while inserting the references, making sure that everything is according to the journal requirement. They have a rejection rate around 50%, and they are my favorite journal. So if you want to publish in a journal that is rapid publishing, then Curious is a very good option. Second option is Exley Medical Journal. Yes, it's a European journal, and it is also a fast publishing journal. They also publish in less than a month, and they are PubMed Central indexed. They are not actually on PubMed, but they are PubMed Central indexed. According to the information, the last time I checked, they were PubMed Central. But it is also a very good option. And they have an impact factor of 4+. So it is a very strong impact factor, very good impact factor. So if you're looking for a journal with good impact factor, it is Exley, but they are not on PubMed or Medline, they are on PubMed Central. So that's important to know. Curious is on PubMed, Medline, PubMed Central, but they don't have an impact factor. So the choice is yours. Curious review article submission will require some fee, depending upon how much of the work their team has to do. There is an editing process, so you have to go through that editing process. If your paper has too many errors, then you will have to pay more for Curious to make your paper publishing. So yes, Curious has a fee, and Exley, according to my information, actually does not have a fee. But check on the website, because this information can change very rapidly. Journals change their policies so fast, so check it whenever you see this video. Check how much is Curious fee right now, and check is Exley charging any fee now or not. And what is the impact factor? Has Curious developed their impact factor or not? Now, the third journal that is also a very good journal, it's a series, F1000 Research. Yes, this is a name, F1000 Research. They're rapid publishing publishers, and they have their journal, and they charge a fee. Their fee is a little higher according to last information, but they are a very good option. They are PubMed, PubMed Central, and you can check if they are on Medline. If they are on PubMed, they would be on Medline too. So these are the three journals that I would recommend, that if you are in a hurry and want fast publication, then these are the options. F1000 Research has a belief system that the paper should be published before peer review, and they have a post-publishing peer review process. That's a new ideology, and it's a very good process. I like their process, and I like all three of these journals. And I would recommend that it depends what you want, which one is your need, and you can submit to any of those journals and enjoy the publication process. So these are the three journals. Those are fast publishing, PubMed Index Journal or PubMed Central Index Journal. And there are some other journals as well, but I prefer these three. And the fourth journal, I do know there is a journal, but I don't want to mention the name yet because I'm still studying about the authenticity of that journal, and are they predatory, or are they predatory, or are they not predatory? So once I get the answer, I will create another video and I will update the list of the journals in medicine that are PubMed indexed. For now, just rely on these three fast publishing journals: Curious Medical Journal, Exley Medical Journal, F1000 Research. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep watching.